This is an external digital to analog converter. Let's make a Bluetooth speaker with this model. What is needed? Microcontroller ESP32, one loudspeaker, cable for connection, and a digital to analog converter module. Has a built-in audio amplifier. The sound is out in mono mode. Two channels are mixed into one. Connection diagram. There are contacts on the board that are responsible for turn on and amplifying the sound. Let's go to the connection. Let's take this library and we will need this code. Change the connection contacts. We can also change the name of the Bluetooth device. Select the ESP32 microcontroller. Bluetooth connection. Sound testing. The sound is high quality and this model can be used in a Bluetooth speaker. If the content was useful, subscribe to the channel.